Hey everyone, and welcome back to Taking It Offline. Today, I want to talk about iPhone's iOS updates and new features. This is part one of a series of videos I'll put out with iPhone tricks and tips. Think of your iPhone as your home. Just like how you regularly check your doors and windows to make sure they're secure and work properly, updating your iPhone is similar. It's about ensuring that the digital doors and windows of your phone are strong and safe. With each new update like iOS 17, Apple adds stronger locks to the doors, so to speak. These updates fix any weaknesses that might let hackers or viruses sneak in. It's like fixing a loose doorknob or a creaky window in your house. I know. Updating your phone might sound like a hassle. You might worry it will change too much, but it's quite straightforward and the benefits far outweigh any inconvenience you might have. Most of the times, your iPhone will look and work the same, but it's much safer. So, just like you take care of your house, take care of your phone by updating it. It's equally important. It keeps your personal information like photos, messages, contacts safe from digital intruders. Today, I'm going to show you how you can check which iOS your phone has, and over the next few weeks, I'm going to show you some cool new tricks and features that you can utilize as part of the new update. I know taking this is a big step, but it is going to be so much better for your phone and your security. Let's do this.
So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Settings in your iPhone. You want to click on General. Head over to Software Update. It might do a little search, and then it's going to tell you that you need to upgrade to iOS 17.2. What I always recommend everybody is keep your automatic updates on and make sure all of these are turned on as well. That way when you charge your phone overnight, it'll automatically update when the time comes. The next thing you want to do is you just want to click Update Now right here and let it do its thing.
Now this is just one of many cool features that iOS 17 has, and I want to show you this because it's been super helpful to me. So what you want to do is you want to head over to your camera, and any laundry tags that you have on your clothes, you want to take a picture of that. So I'll head over to the camera, and I have a laundry tag here on one of my sweaters. I take a picture, and the picture pops up on the bottom left. You click on it, and you click this eye symbol. You click on the eye, you notice over here the lookup laundry care option pops up. You go ahead and click on that, and look, it gives you all the instructions on how to wash it, how to take care of your clothes properly and without damaging those clothes. Another quick tip is if you're annoyed that you have to click the plus and then click on photos in order to send somebody a picture, a quicker way to do that is you just hold the plus sign and then the pictures pop up. Now, let's say you've sent a message and you didn't want to send it. You didn't mean to send it. So let's say we send it over to them and then you sent it by mistake. The best way to do that is you hold it and you click Undo Send, and it'll remove the message that you sent to the user. And you can tell over here, it says you unsent a message. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment below once you've upgraded to iOS 17.2. As always, I'm taking it offline. This is Parth, signing off. Until next time.